Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Godaddy domain to Weebly. Let's get started. First, go to godaddy.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on this downward arrow, or in some cases, your profile icon, which is found on the top right corner. Then in this drop-down, click on the My Products option. In this new page, scroll down until you see the domain section and just copy the domain name you want to connect to Weebly. Next, go to weebly.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the website from the left panel, then click on Domains from the drop-down. In this new page, click on Connect Domain from the top right corner. This pop-up will appear where you will click on the option that says, Use a domain I own elsewhere. Then in this field, paste here the domain name you copied earlier from Godaddy. And lastly, click on Verify at the far right of the field. And that is how you can connect your Godaddy domain to Weebly. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.